Have you ever put much thought into your kayak floors other than just staining them? What if I told you you could color match your floors to the skin of your kayak, or contrast the floors to the skin of your kayak? Stick around, I'll show you a slick trick on how to jazz these floorboards up. After getting your floorboards cut to length, one of the first things I do is round over the edge of your floorboards with a 1 1/4 inch round over router bit. Follow that up with a nice smooth sanding to give you a really smooth, soft finish. At this point, this is where we're going to use our acid dyes to color our floorboards to either match or contrast our kayak skin. Okay, so for the first layer of our floor color, we're going to be using the Minwax wood finish True Black number 274. So we're just going to take a rag, dip our rag, and we're just going to scrub the black on it. Just going to do the top. There we have it. Top of our floorboard with its base stain of black. Once your black's had time to set into the wood, we want to do a light sanding over to bring out some of the wood. And now, as you can see, we brought some of the natural wood color back out, and we just have some black stain highlights. So now we'll wash the acid dye over this and dye the actual color of the wood. Alright, so now we're going to add our acid dye from Dharma Trading Company. This is fluorescent fuchsia, so it should really pop. I've got it pre-mixed according to their mixing instructions. Take my rag and dip it in here. We'll give it a run, see what it looks like. Wow, that is really pink. And that is Levi the kayak building kid. Hold that for me. Thank you. Oh, really does make it pop. Now do our sides here. A little bit more. So it doesn't just work on ballistic nylon, it works on wood too. Then we'll get a clear polyurethane coat over this and really bring the color out. Wow, and there you go. Let that dry a little bit, then we'll coat it with a glossy polyurethane sealant. Once your acid dye is dry, cover your boards with a coat of polyurethane. It'll both seal, protect, and bring out the vibrant colors. For more tips and tricks on building your own skin-on-frame kayak, be sure to like and subscribe.